them one good review. But we get some taco, we get chicken and beef. But not tell no like them taco are not taco. So hear about this little spot. Decided so we'll go and check it out. We lost about 40 time. But I'll show you guys, give you a little walkthrough and then we're out. But menu, oh there, yeah. So I think this is their IG and their number. Yeah, but nice little place, you know. Yeah, so the place look like nice little spot. Yeah. So after them say outside, we say outside too. Yeah. I don't say go. Like a place of a real vibe, karaoke thing and them thing there. Yeah. You know what? You would never tell, you would never guess. Chef come at some bar going around the sun.
It's going in the wrong direction, you know what I mean?
So we get to show you guys how the thing is prepped. Chef on the deck. Let's see what's going on. So this is a nice little spot we found in Mobe. As I said guys, it was a little bit challenging to find, but I will give you a walkthrough when we leave it. Alright? But nice little vibe. Nice little vibe, as you can see. Yeah. And you can check the first part of the video for their info. You know, nice little setup. As I said, we stumbled on this place in Mobe and like, yeah, looks really good. Alright. On a Thursday. Yeah. Alright. So service is good so far guys. So speedy. Servers here. No man, that's fine, that's okay. So our server is here. I'm gonna have three other tacos. I want 1 beef, 2 chicken. Yeah. I want. Same. Donte, D-O-N-T-E. And my son. Stella. No Stella? Give me a carrot. Water still? And a water. Right. Yo, listen guys, it's a vibe. Then we make me feel full because we come here, everybody in them proper big people dressing, me in a shorts and sitting like someone like a beach thing. But we there a rocket still, we do business, we are tourists. You know? So this is a nice little spot guys. Nice little spot. Kid you not. We are going out in a man. So, think I did like Margaritaville size taco, but I read Mexican vibes here again. You understand? So I don't know, big taco. I guess them have larger stuff on the menu, but we have to figure out the menu here. Yeah, we are going to take out a sample and see what I want and have some Corona. Brittany have our water. Yeah, but as I say, sometimes I go for the experience and then I go to KFC after, you know. So God no, I'm not telling them no lie, my babes. I want to give them one good review, but we get some taco, we get chicken and beef. But not telling no lie. I'm not lying guys, let me speak properly so everybody can understand what I'm saying. They are the worst tacos I've ever had in my life. And I've had tacos that Jamaicans made. I've had tacos in Texas. I've had tacos in Cayman. I've had tacos in Jamaica. Chilitos, other place. Margaritaville. Them tacos are not tac. Nah, tell no lie. Not much less up. Nothing. Just blah. I mean, I tell you something. She grill up the thing, them pan look ready, you know. Where is it, Brittany? Maybe are we? Brittany said maybe are we?
Are we a problem?
Like with palate now. You don't know.
The people them, I because they're drunk. They're drunk. The beer from them belly.
True. My peeps, I'm not telling no lie. Alright, you are. But I'm not telling no lie though. I think I would try them again and try like
Everything else.
So yeah, I don't recommend the taco them. I recommend taco. But I think I'm gonna try the quesadilla and some. I'll give them a try. Cause up here have a vibes. Just because of the sheer fact that the place has a vibe, as you can't hear vibes in this. But the taco them not taco. But you sure enough to find the place. Alright, so I don't know how to go on. We'll decide to hear what. We'll try 2 more something on the menu. So, happy laughing, Brittany. So it's alright, we're going to try this thing, how them saying Papa Nachos. And Brittany says she's going to try the Volcanes. Right? So, we'll try it and see what I go on. Yeah? If boy, pray for it. Tell them what I go on. Alright.
Oh my God.
You say if it not taste good, go fight up there. No sir. Oh God. Feel like I've been chopped. Oh God. Alright, so Brittany food have come next. See what I want. Brittany, you know what's up? We should take the fries something here. Man. Alright, what's the what I want? Alright, so Brittany food not coming. So we are going to wait to see what I want. No, at this point we realize that this place is not a size, not a portions place. But them are lose off a taste. Vibes up. Vibes 10 out of 10. Taste of food so far 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. Solid 2 out of 10 feet upon it. Service about 7 out of 10. Service not bad. A little something in front right that's something I go see what I want because portion not save them in go taste. But if you're looking for, well, you know what? If you're coming with a group, guys, this is a group.
Everybody else.
Yeah, this is a group.
Everybody ready to know each other.
Yeah, it's a group. It's a group. See what I want. And honestly, did not, cause me, I love food. I love food, and I like giving people good ratings for their food. Yeah. You know, because I actually went around there and I told them that I'm a vlogger and I do food vlogs. And I must say, alright, serving people like quick and fast, but I don't know. Is it sitting there come look like a for Brittany? No, I don't feel me, lucky. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. It's a Brittany food there. Want to get one? Want crackers? Yeah, that food, that place is at a portions place. So, alright, let's say for this one, me legit legit have to taste it on camera. Alright.
Yeah, I'm have to take a picture.
Alright, hold on. Hold on. Let's say I get break, man.
And crackers with seasoning pan it.
Yeah, man, I tell you, like, alright, so I have to try this. Not bad. Not bad. Where's the crackers are, man?
It don't taste bad.
Not taste bad.
It don't taste bad.
Alright. And
One salad, 7.5 out of 10.
alright. So alright, so Brittany says 7.5. 7.5 out of 10. May I get this? What is it? 7.5. So them redeem themselves taste wise.
Come through in the system.
And me not tell no lie, the card machine never worked a while ago. And the card machine never worked, you know, me that left, you know. Yeah.
But Maddie's coming up and Jenny. Jenny, Maddie, come on up here. Jenny, Maddie, come on up here.
Brittany review got moved from a 7.5 to a 6. It's still better than the first one, which was a 2. So 8 out of 20 fail. And them get a 9 out of 20.
Jane Kirkman, come to the stage.
For both meals.
Jane Kirkman.
As I realize it's not a portions place,
Stephanie.
but
Stephanie, come on up here.
a little bit fee what them a charge.
Jane, get up here.
Yeah. But tonight's vibe is yeah, but
Union's been on strike. He's down on his luck. It's tough.
now come back. Can't tell her that straight. If you come back up here, somebody and carry me. Yeah, I might tell him say here what? No. Bother with it.
She brings over.
Alright, peeps. I'm not a liar. When we left out with that hope, yeah, with that hope say, you know?
Take so long to find the place.
We take long to find the place. We last go up one part, come back, and then we look at the place stuck in our little, you know?
Yeah.
Half grid, and we're leaving out. I like the you know, the people them were there, yeah, you know? And I say, alright. Why? I don't know. I don't know.
Serious at 10, do not recommend, don't come here.
With taste bud. Taste bud put up.
Sorry to say.
Quick go brush your teeth. I'm not telling no lie, my peeps. Yeah, I forgot hurry up go brush your teeth. Me no. Me start to, and me feel a way, you know, cause I want, like, the location would have been ideal if I just want one little spot to go chill. But me no know. The food a little bit expensive. And not taste. Cause you go to some places and you might get small portions and you can say, alright then, you know the flavor.
Yeah. Raw onion.
Yeah.
Chicken.
I might just taste a pure onion. I don't like that for me. I don't like that for myself. No, sir. Sad to say. Overall ratings. Alright. Customer service. May I say 7 out of 10. The ambience of the place, 8 out of 10. Taste overall, alright, no, I have to break it down. Taco, taste, 2 out of 10. Quesadilla, and what you take? Some sitting wise. No, some sitting. One biscuit with some meat and sitting on it. What you say? 6 out of 10. For that, yeah. 6 out of 10.
4, 3, 2, 1. That is fine.
You understand? No. It's a strong but regrettable no. Honest. Oh God. And here's my peeps. So you go. Sometimes you hit, so you win some, you lose some. This one, and it's been a while. You know, most places we go, yeah, nice. But that one, yeah, and we don't want to burn some people. You know, we can't hype about the place. We can't hype about the food. We can't hype about the food.
Shame.
Anyways, my peeps, you know, I go look out for more reviews. More road trip will take on. Summer is coming and we will be taking on the road. Alright?